Hey y'all, back with another video. This video is going to be a how-to video. So, excuse my eyes. It's been a long day. A long day. Sorry about that. So this how-to video is what I use for my client, tell my clients how to make their own moisturizing leave-in for their locks. I love this concoction. Absolutely no buildup. Give you all of the moisture that you need. And again, did I mention no buildup? So let's just jump right into it, okay? You're going to need aloe vera juice. Okay, this is my favorite one from Target. I like this one because it has a preservative in it. Most aloe vera juice does not have preservative in it, and you would have to leave it in the refrigerator. So this one does, so it don't grow any mold or any such, right? Next, vegetable glycerin for moisture. Next, some spring water. And this is one of my favorites, rapeseed oil, and a little bit of essential oil, just for scent. You don't have to, but it's a me thing. And finally, a mist bottle. This pack came from, I already opened one, but this pack came from Walmart. It was like two of these for like $8, and it's a continuing mist one. Love it. Okay, so let's get into it. So you're gonna open your bottle. Okay, I'm back. Open your bottle. You want to take some vegetable glycerin. Just want to just coat the bottom, the vegetable glycerin with the vegetable glycerin. You're going to take some any kind of moisturizing oil. I like grapeseed oil or avocado oil. Make sure when y'all go get these oils, it's not the ones that you cook with. Okay, you don't want to do that. You want to get a carrier oil. These oils are made for hair and skin and nails. Do not get oil that you cook with, okay? You're going to go ahead and coat the bottom of it. Yeah, that's a good amount. Yep. Then you want to take your aloe vera juice. I don't use funnels. I don't have to. When you're used to making this all the time. Yeah, that's enough. And then I top it off with some spring water. I really don't like using spring water. I just like using aloe vera juice, but to each his own. Um, I want to do some vanilla. I like vanilla. It's that time of season to do softer scents. So vanilla. Oh, the hell with it. I'm going to go ahead and add me some mango. Now, again, you don't have to use the ones that I'm using. You can just get your own. So I use 3 squirts of each. You're going to put your mist back on. Give it a shake, a twirl. Now, when you make this mixture without the essential oils, it's clear. With the essential oils, it's a bit cloudy. But when I tell you that this here, I've been doing this for over a year. Yeah. Since before I was diagnosed with cancer. But while I was in treatment, I used this mixture every other day. Maybe with, yeah, every other day I use this mixture. And like I said, it's a continuum mix. It's a continuum mixture. I love it. I love it. So, oh my God, that feels so damn good. And it smells amazing balls. So, let me tell you where I get the items from, though. Of course, Walmart, Target, Amazon. Amazon. If I don't get these, you can also get these at Sprouts, My Markets, Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, and the essential oils came from Amazon. So that is it. That is all. Something simple, a nice leave-in for you guys to make on your own at home. I know you if you want to go out there and spend $15 or $12 for a leave-in, be my guest. But this little shikami dig thing never let me down. And also it stopped my locks from thinning. So yeah, you want something that's going to coat your hair and not suffocate your hair. Okay, that is my TED Talk for the night. That's my how-to for the night. You have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys later this week. Bye.